Welcome back. Today, we'll learn how to create a tree map. A tree map is a visual representation of hierarchical data, using nested rectangles to show relationships within a whole. Each rectangle represents a category, with its size indicating the value or proportion of that category relative to others. Tree maps are especially useful for visualizing data with a parent-child relationship and for comparing parts within a whole. Let's begin. Select the tree map visualization, then place subcategory in category and sales in values. Now we have a tree map. When we look at the tree map, we see various rectangles. The largest rectangle at the top represents the highest value, while the smallest rectangle at the bottom shows the lowest value. In our case, the top rectangle represents the phone's subcategory, indicating it has the highest sales, while the smallest rectangle at the bottom shows the subcategory with the lowest sales. Currently, we can't see the regional breakdown. To add this detail, place region in details. Now, within each subcategory, you'll see multiple rectangles, each representing a region. The size and position of these rectangles continue to tell the same story. The top rectangle indicates the highest sales. By organizing data visually, tree maps allow us to quickly identify the most significant contributors to sales and understand how each subcategory performs across different regions. This visualization is a powerful way to spot trends, recognize patterns, and compare hierarchical data at a glance. Use tree maps whenever you need a clear view of how individual components contribute to the whole and where the largest gains or losses occur within categories. That's it for creating and analyzing tree maps in Power BI. Now try applying it to your own data to see how it can reveal valuable insights.